So guys, I feel like a lot of people like they doing this wrong. When I tell them to go to the website and register, they just skip the video. They don't watch my video until the end, and they get confused when they get to the website or to the app that I'm sharing. So they get this wrong. They don't do it right, because when I drop videos about how to make money online, I try like to explain. I don't know if they don't understand me well. So if you don't understand me, please comment down so that I will know how many people that they don't understand when I tell them, so that I will continue to tell them with details. I will make videos with full details so that they will understand, because I don't know like if you understanding me or you don't understand me, just because we don't comment. So guys, you can tell me anything, like if you want me to have a group with you, or a WhatsApp group or Facebook group, just comment down so that I will know like how many people that need like my content, or how many people need help on that particular video or on how to make money online. So please make sure, just tell me if you need a group so that we can communicate always, just because on YouTube we cannot communicate. We can also maybe comment, and I won't like answer every comment or on YouTube, just because I get a lot of comments, but I try like to answer, but I won't answer all the questions. So guys, when it comes to making money online, guys, we need to get this like so making money online, guys, it's not simple, especially when you are here in South Africa. It's not simple, just because a lot of Americans, guys, are trying to teach us how to make money online. Their strategy is working, but it's not working for us here in South Africa. So we're trying to watch videos, American videos, how to make money, how to do this and that, and we don't even make that type of money. That's the reason why I'm here, guys. That's the reason why I'm here, trying to teach you guys how to make money in South Africa. Just because you cannot take the strategies from USA to make money here in South Africa. But a lot of websites, like there are a lot of worldwide websites that you can use, or apps that you can use to make money online. But guys, there are a lot of scammers, guys. There are a lot of scammers. So guys, if I ever gave you a website or an app that is a scam, please comment down so that I will know that I gave you a scam. But to me, all the website that I'm giving you guys, I've tested the websites, and like I have a proof that this one is pays, or this one doesn't pay. So I'm giving you website, guys, that works, guys. I never lied. So if I ever lied to you, please just comment down there. So don't be scared, just comment down there, just because on today's video, guys, I want to talk with you guys about how to make money online. So when it comes to apps, guys, I'm always dropping apps that are available here in South Africa. So but sometimes I do worldwide apps, so that each and everyone here, like around the world, can go and register and make some extra cash. But keep it in mind, making money online, guys, is not simple, especially when you're using apps and websites. You cannot make a lot of money, guys. You cannot really make a lot of money. You can only make a lot of money when you maybe there are a lot of websites that you can make a lot of money. But for now, I've never dropped like websites that you can make a lot of money, just because I'm still doing a research, guys, for you. I'm always doing a research for you, so that I don't want to like give you a website that I even know that the website doesn't work. No, I don't want to do that. So I'm doing a research, guys, for you guys. I'm being honest with you guys, but I feel like I'm doing everything wrong, just because a lot of people, when they comment, some of the people they didn't even try, they don't even try like making money online. They just come watch the video and just comment. Just imagine, they just watch the video and comment. They don't even take an action and see if the website makes money for them or not. Or I think like a lot of people like they like it's a rich quick scheme. I don't even know how to call that. They wanna be rich overnight. They wanna be rich overnight. There's no such thing, guys. So the websites and the apps that I'm sharing, guys, is for you to make like 100 rand, 200 rand, so that you can buy data to watch other videos that can help you make more money. Maybe you can make 500 rand to 1,000 rand, but you cannot make like 15,000 rand on this kind of website that I'm sharing. Or else if you are like I think when you can only make 15,000 rand if, guys, you're going to put in the work. you can make that type of money. But I'm not promising you to make 15,000 rand. But I can teach you, like this month, guys. I promise you that I'm going to share like how to really make money or how to build your business online, guys. I'm gonna drop that kind of videos now. I'm not going to talk about apps like always. I'm going to post about apps that makes money, but not always, because now I'm gonna switch to a real business. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money, like how to make 20,000 rand, 15,000 rand, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to trade forex. I'm gonna show you every proof that you need, how much money that I already made on forex. I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, always know that making money online with apps and websites, you cannot make like 1,000 rand and 15,000 rand. You cannot make that. My recommendation is that just use the apps to make like 500 rand to 600 rand. Just use the website to make 600 rand, 500 bucks. That's it. You cannot make like 1,000 rand. You can, but like it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. So guys, I wanted to be open with you. So guys, I wanna tell you guys that I think this week, not this week. Okay, today I'm gonna drop a 1 hour video, guys. 1 hour video. So where I will be showing you guys how to trade forex. We're gonna drop 1 hour video for you to learn forex. Please watch the video until the end. Don't skip that video that I'm going to post, just because it's going to help you to make more money. I'm gonna show you a proof how much money I made on forex, so that you can trust me, because a lot of people, I'm gonna show you a real account. They don't trust it. So today I just withdraw to the website. It's called Satanos. It's a website, it's an app. I just withdraw today, so I'm waiting for the payment. So if I get paid, guys, I'm gonna drop a short video so that I'll show you the money that I have received. I will show you my message, my bank account message. Or I will make a short for that, guys. So I'm gonna teach about forex, but not always about forex. But sometimes I'll maybe talk about apps. Sometimes I'll talk about websites, and like if there's someone who wanna start a YouTube channel, guys, you can also comment down so that I'll make more videos, how to start a channel, how to grow, how to like everything, how to start a channel, what you will need. I'm gonna show you guys and how to set up your YouTube channel before you post, guys. You can even make money on YouTube, guys, without doing any videos, guys. I'm like, if you want that type of videos, I'm gonna drop. Please make sure you comment down, guys. Please make sure you comment down. This one is a real talk, guys. And now we'll start to have like live videos, guys, with you guys, so that we can communicate. You can ask me anything that you want. We're gonna go live now, guys. So you can ask me anything that you need, guys. So I'm gonna make a group for us, guys, to talk, to communicate, or even if it but the Facebook, I like maybe a Telegram group or WhatsApp group. I'm gonna do that for you guys. I'm gonna post the link on my description, guys, so that you're gonna get in touch on the group. So that's basically what I need to do, guys, with you guys. So always know that website and apps that I'm sharing on this channel, they cannot make you like rich, guys. Like there are a lot of apps, guys, that I posted on this channel. You can go like check all their apps, but there's this app, this website called KKBT. It's no longer working, guys. It's no longer working, and me too. Like I've been scammed with that, but the website was real, guys. Was real. I don't wanna lie. I got paid 900 rand on that website. I don't wanna lie. So I have lost, like, I think it's 2,000 rand to 2,500 rand. I lost 2,500 rand or 2,000 rand. I'm not sure. But the website just shut down with my money, guys. I invested like 1,000 rand, so I was making like 2,500 rand. But the website shut down, guys. That's so sad. The website shut down, guys, with my money, guys. With my money, I only had like 900 rand, guys, on my bank account. But that website cost me like guys 2,500 rand. So that's so bad. So they shut down the website. The website was really paying. If you are my subscriber, already know what I'm talking about. I used to show people proof of my payments that I did, so they know how much I made on that website. So guys, that's so bad. Just don't go to KKBT. I think I have a video about KKBT on this account. I wanna delete the video, just because the video, like a lot of people they go in there and watch the video and click the link on the description, and the link doesn't even exist anymore. So they get like they're commenting like this link is not working and that. Guys, KKBT is no longer available, guys. It's no longer available. I'm sorry about that, but I have a lot of apps, guys, that you can use now to make money, guys. So I want to make a video to alert everyone that KKBT it's no longer working, guys. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. It's your boy TMK Money. It's your boy TMK Money. Guys, be free, guys. Ask me anything you feel like asking. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys, so that we can go yo guys, let's reach to 1K subscriber, guys. 1K subscriber. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please smash that subscribe button now, just because, guys, now it's going to be lit. You're going to make a lot of money, guys. So guys, please make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna drop like amazing videos, guys. Just watch, guys. Just check it out. Yeah. So boy 10K. See you on the next video. Love you all, guys.